Hi everyone, Chantel here. In this tutorial, I'm actually going to show you how to erase threads. That's the best way I can say it. Remove threads, erase them, whichever way you want to say it. So I've already put the name on here. The first step, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to this side. And if you click one of these, you see the rest go gray, and that one, it keeps its color. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the letter U, which is the third one right there. And you see how that one, I have it overlapped with the R. So let's take the mouse up here. You're going to click Edit. Go down to Split Pattern. And you see how it has those things right there. What you're going to do is you're going to click the eraser. You can also use these, but I like to use the eraser. And it actually gives you choices of how big you want it. There's that size all the way down to the small one. Since this is a not so sensitive area for me to be like, oh, I really need to be super careful, I'm going to use the bigger one. So what you do is you just take it down and it erased that one. Now what you need to do is go back up, you click the eraser, because if you do not, once you do that, it's going to go to the next letter and that part of the letter will be erased off. So you go back over, you click the next one, which is R. There's nothing overlapping it, so we're going to go ahead and go to the end. And as you see, it overlaps on the E like really far. So we're going to go back up. You're going to click the eraser and do the same thing. Just erase it to the point to where you want it. Go back up. Click the eraser, go over. Next letter. And there's the E. As you see, it overlaps on the Y. So we're going to take the eraser again and we're going to erase it down to a certain point. You don't want to erase it too far close to the edge, because then you'll be able to see that they're not connected. You want it to look connected as it's stitching out. So now you click the eraser again, and once you're finished, you hit close. And there you go. Now let's click on one of these, the U, and you see it's still like that. Let's go to the end. There you go. It's all like that. So this was a very quick tutorial. There will be more that I will post up on how to join threads and change the order of them, and also changing the color of the thread. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. As always, have a very blessed day.